soon as I straighten up with the trailer, I lose the trailer completely. I cannot see it with these stock mirrors. This is the box trailer. It's a nightmare of anyone towing really because it's so small, hard to reverse especially. Now this here is a stockish 200 series. Now I'm going to show you today why the vision on my chopped and modified 200 is better than this stocker. In my experience, often bigger trailers are much easier to back because you can see them at all times and aren't as reactive when reversing. Compared to small boat trailers, box trailers or jet ski trailers that are super reactive to any steering movement. They go missing in your mirrors, and by the time you see the trailer again, you can be way off course. Okay, let's try now with my 200 series. Keeping in mind, this is a bigger and more modified rig, so visibility should be a lot harder. I can't believe this. You got to see it to believe it. Even though I've got a big canopy on the back, I can still see the box trailer in both of the Clearviews here. I can see both wheel guards, so that is pretty amazing, but it gets even better than this. These mirrors are now fully extended, which is giving me a much wider field of vision. Well, that's really opened my eyes up to just how much vision I've got with these Clearviews. You sort of take it for granted when you're driving this car around all day. It's not until you get into a stock one that doesn't have aftermarket mirrors that you can really appreciate what you can see in this rig. Now, if you want to make towing a lot easier, not to mention a heck of a lot safer, check them out for yourself, clearviewaccessories.com.au.